cognition in action, thinking beyond the classroom. And I'm super excited to have a awesome guest with today to share their insight. First up, we have Shine Corrales.
Thanks for having me. Excited to be here.
And joining us also Miss Hazel and Miss Sam.
Yes, it's such an honor to be here.
I'm also very thankful to be part of this podcast episode.
So, we've been talking about how our brains work outside school. From your perspective, Miss Shine, what's one of the biggest ways you see cognition in action in your daily life?
So for me, one of the biggest way I see cognition in daily life is through decision making. So every day, our brain help us think, understand situation, and choose what actions to take, even in simple things like managing time.
Absolutely. And how do you both approach critical thinking in your life? In a world full of information, how do you shape through it all?
So for me, critical thinking means not believing everything right away. I try to understand the information first, check if it is true, and look at different opinions before making a decision.
That's a great way of putting it. So, Miss Hazel, any tips in developing the critical thinking muscle?
For me, no, critical thinking improves when you stay curious, ask questions, and look at situations from different perspectives instead of believing everything right away.
When we're not in a classroom settings, it's about applying what we know, adapting to new situation, and making informed choices. So, we all know about learning in school, right? Lectures, textbooks, exams, that formal learning. But what about all thinking we do outside of the structured environment? That what cognition in action is all about. And how we use our brain to navigate the real world, solve everyday problem, and make decisions.
So for me, a big part of this is problem solving. So in the classroom, problems are well defined. You know what you need to find. But in real life, problems are often messy and unclear. So at first, you might not even know what the actual problem is.
And another key element is decision making. Every day we make tons of decisions, big and small. So considering our past experiences, and we also rely on our gut feelings.
So, how we get better at this cognition action stuff? Well, the good news is we can practice.
Yes, exactly. I agree.
Ultimately, thinking beyond the classroom is about becoming more adaptable, resourceful, and engaged individual. It's about using our brains, not just to pass a test, but to thrive in life. Thank you for being here, Miss Sam, Miss Shine, and Miss Hazel.
Yes, it's my pleasure to be here with you guys talking about cognition.
Okay, that's all for the episode of Brainy Bites. Goodbye!